Laban, Albert Isidro. Gates open, they're up and racing as Sikuda moving up in between runners. Is Caprechosa running down on the inside. Is entry number 3 by Porsari. Moving up is Arlegi Hennes Gold. Now rushing up on the outside and catching the third spot. Tukmo comes next as they rounded the last 600. Arlegi this time by about 2 lengths. Moving up now the outside. Second, Hennes Gold by Porsari by the rail. Racing in Port Caprechosa Asikuda. Haywire Tukmo in between runners. Then moving up now is Significant Other running by the rail. Is Princess Julian. And down the stretch they come. We have Arlegi by about a length and a half, Hennes Gold. And finally, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra, Arlegi. Second, Hennes Gold, Asikuda close between number 3 by Porsari and Caprechosa. For your pen.
Mukhang